Hey guys, what's up? We're going to take a quick look at Financial Education Services Better Business Bureau page here, right? So reviews and complaints. We're going to look at some positive reviews. Greatest decision I've ever made. Awesome. Positive. But I'm a fast learner. I'm always here to help people. A neutral, think before reacting. Negative, not much but talk. I don't know what that means. The representative, Mrs. Francis, was professional, engaging, and providing me with a variety of pertinent information regarding my options. Highly recommend her and this company to assist in your needs. I got outstanding results. Thank you. Fastest turnaround rate. So what else do they have to say here? I would like to say that enrolling with FES was the best decision my husband and I have ever made. Within 22 days, my 100K student loan debt was deleted from my credit report, and my credit score shot up 146 points. My husband had a bankruptcy and a tax lien on his credit report, and it was removed in 30 days. And his credit score shot up 127 points. I'm so grateful to this company and the phenomenal job they do. That's a pretty good one. I was a little hesitant at first to sign up, but it was the best decision to sign up with them. It hasn't even been a month since I signed up and already seeing accounts removed from my credit report. Can't wait to see what 2 to 3 months will do, and all the benefits they offer is awesome. Can't beat it for the price. Definitely recommend. I am trying to get my credit fit for 1978. I don't understand what that means, but 5 people found that helpful. Awesome. I'm a realtor from Miami, Florida. I registered with this company to help my clients and their families restore their credit and change their financial life. The results that I saw in the agents and clients in just a few months to be in this company has been fantastic. I recommend this company 100%. That's awesome. I was looking to increase my credit score for years and was unaware of several credit laws until learning about FES. I've been on the program over 2 months. I had 13 negative items that went down to 6 and 7 negative items, down to 2 with first dispute letters. My wife's score went up 74 points, and we are 100% satisfied with the service. We understand the process and are patient about it. We both now understand keeping credit card balances under 30% and working towards bringing our 98% usage down. Getting educated through FES helps, as well as being 49 and now having a will, trust, and POA, which is part of the program that would be seriously costly anywhere else. LifeLock is another service. Now don't have to worry about identity theft. All the added services are pluses, so the cost for service is nothing compared to what it would cost getting services individually. Look forward to getting my score in high 700s so I can purchase my first home. Keep up the great work and much success. It's awesome. This company is honestly amazing. I was at a very rough place in my life. My credit was shot. I made horrible mistakes fresh out of high school due to the fact that we weren't educated on credit in school. When I heard about this company, I got started right away, and in 45 days, I had 2 card possessions deleted from my credit report. Thank you so much to the staff and the corporation office. Every time I called, they answered my questions with no hesitation. Excellent company with the most outstanding customer service. I had the best experience. When I started, I had 24 negative accounts with a 430 credit score, and in about a year and some months, my credit had gone up to 738. Loved the service, and what I was able to learn was that I must be responsible in signing the letters, sending them to the bureaus. When they respond back with my credit reports, have the office update me on my site, and it sure worked. I thank you. When I first started, my score was a 467. It was so bad that I got denied to receive a loan to get my house. Within the first 45 days, my score jumped up over 60 points. Then 6 months later, it hit a little over 713. Guys, this is an amazing program that also offers not just credit repair, but also other services as well for just $89 a month with no contracts. Compared to Lexington Law, this company is by far the best company I've joined. So if you're on the sidelines thinking about, do it, because it's a great company and the customer service is also amazing. Spanish. I have no idea what they're saying here. We're going to skip that one. My positive experience was when I got paid at 11 at night, restored a client credit, and then got back in bed afterwards. That's awesome. I personally had a great experience. I attempted 6 times to purchase a home in 2016, but was unable due to a low credit score. After 4 months with FES, my credit went from 589 to 727, and in February 2017, I was pre-approved for various 380,000 plus mortgages. They removed 15 inquiries and late payments. That's awesome. I use the services for myself. My credit score went up 96 points and my negative items are deleted in 2 months. That was the best thing that could happen in my financial life. Thank you, FES. Great service. Their customer service line was very helpful. I would definitely recommend. Actually, I already have recommended my family to this company and we've had nothing but a great experience. Thank you, United Tax Pros with FES. Sweet. Last one. FES has been with me for 4 months, and I have seen 100-point increase in my reporting so far. I do recommend them. It's not a overnight change. They send out letters due your credit for act laws. I highly recommend them. FES has been amazing. I started using their services about 3 months ago. I had 12 negatives on my credit report, including a judgment. After 45 days, all of my negatives were gone. I went from a credit score of about 550 to a score over 780 in only 45 days. That's awesome. This company is amazing. My credit score increased 113 points in 60 days. This company is amazing. I just read that. I found FES on LinkedIn and I was skeptical at first after using another company that failed to meet my expectations. After 30 to 45 days, I started seeing results and was very pleased. The negative accounts that were removed from my account gave me a 90-point increase. I totally recommend. I've been working with FES to fix my credit and protect my identity, and they have been very helpful. The agent I have been very helpful with answering all of my questions, and if he's unable to help, he has someone else help me. I appreciate everything they have and are doing for me. It's opening many doors for me and my family. Well, those are some great reviews. Now, to be fair, let's take a look at just a few of the customer complaints, right? This lady or person had a bad time. The desired resolution was a refund of the money, right? Could not provide the services expected of us. This is not an excuse. Let's see. They'll be mailing a full refund. There you go. And again, another complaint. We will immediately refund the money, $227. This was a very long one, but again, they are refunding. As stated in our past email, we'll give the client a 100% refund. So although there are negative complaints on here, there's mostly very good reviews. With any service, you're going to find people that you just can't please them no matter what happens. The lady with the huge review had like over 100 negative items on her credit report. They removed like 50 of them, and she still got a full refund of her money just because she was so upset. Anyways, guys, that is the Better Business Bureau reviews of financial education services. Yep, good stuff, right? Cool.